added on. The first category is the underbone category. Number 24, Mr. Fritz. You're taking. For our first placer in underbone category, we have number 14, Mr. Miguel. So to clear things up, the fourth runner-up will be the fourth placer will be receiving a plaque or a trophy. Okay. So for the next category, we have the local category. For our local category, our fourth placer is number 87.
Guys,
Mr. Q.
may pangakain na kami.
Ituan ra mo. Wa siya.
Wala lagi ang fourth. Ang fourth wala lagi cash. Ano ba yun?
Di gani kwanto. 215 biliran lagi dako kay.
Oo, ano? Wala na ba yung next biliran?
September.
Biliran? Asahan?
Dito gyapon.
Aka to? Ito. Ah. September?
Expert na dako.
Fourth placer for export category.